everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Alvin. And hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for being with us. Sarah, you look very excited today.
I am excited, but you look a little nervous.
Nervous? Yes, very.
Oh? What happened this time?
Yesterday, I had a job interview.
Wow, that sounds important.
It was, and it was terrible.
Oh no, tell us.
The interviewer asked me one simple question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Ah, the famous future question.
Yes. Inside my head, I had many ideas. I want a better job. I want to travel. I want to live in a nice place. I want to speak great English.
Good dreams.
But my brain and my mouth did not work together. My mouth said, I want good future job happy thank you.
Oh dear.
The interviewer looked at me like this. I wanted to disappear under the chair.
I can imagine. You had a future in your heart, but not in your English?
Exactly. I can see my future in my language, but I cannot say my future in English.
Many listeners feel the same. Maybe you, listening now, also think, I have dreams, I have goals, but I don't know how to say them in English.
Yes, and it hurts because my future is important to me.
Then today's episode is for you. Today, let's talk about your future in English.
My future? Their future? Everyone's future?
Yes, your future, their future, dreams, goals, and plans, all in very simple English.
Okay, I really need this.
Before we start, we have a small, polite request.
Of course.
If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English with Ease.
And please give this video a like. It helps us a lot. And it tells YouTube, show this to more English learners.
You can also share this episode with a friend who has big dreams and wants English for their future.
Yes, invite your future dreamer friends.
Thank you so much. Now, let's open the door to your future. First, let's learn some important words. Future. The future is the time after now. Tomorrow, next month, next year.
5 years from now, 10 years from now.
Exactly. Dream. A dream is something you really want in your life.
Like, my dream is to travel the world.
Yes. Goal. A goal is a dream with a direction, something you work for.
My goal is to pass the IELTS exam.
Great example. Plan. A plan is how you want to do something, steps for your goal.
My plan is to study 30 minutes every day.
Excellent. Hope. Hope is a feeling. You want something to happen in the future.
I hope I will get a good job.
Perfect. So we will use many sentences with I want to, I'd like to, my dream is to, my goal is to, in the future I want to, I hope I will.
Nice. Feels like a future toolbox.
Yes, a future toolbox for your English. Let's start with the easiest pattern. I want to. I want to plus verb. For example, I want to travel. I want to learn French. I want to start my own business. I want to move to another city.
I want to play the guitar. I want to speak English fluently.
Great. I want to sounds strong and clear. If you want to sound a bit softer, you can say, I'd like to. I would like to. I'd like to live by the sea. I'd like to study abroad one day. I'd like to have my own house.
I'd like to work online in the future. I'd like to travel more.
Very good. Next, let's use my dream is to. This is more emotional. It shows your heart. My dream is to become a doctor. My dream is to write a book. My dream is to visit Japan. My dream is to speak English like a native.
My dream is to have a small house in the mountains and drink coffee every morning with no alarm.
That sounds lovely. Can I visit?
Of course, we will have future coffee.
Perfect. Now, my goal is to. A goal is more specific, more focused. My goal is to get a job in IT. My goal is to save $5,000. My goal is to pass the B2 English exam. My goal is to move to a bigger city next year.
My goal is to read one English book every month. My goal is to speak English only in my next vacation.
These are great goals, Alvin. Now, let's put these into areas of life. Area 1, job and career. Some sentences. In the future, I want to work in tech. I'd like to be a manager one day. My dream is to start my own company. My goal is to find a job I really enjoy.
In the future, I want to work from home. I'd like to have a job where I can travel. My dream is to have a job that helps people.
Beautiful. Area 2, place to live. One day, I'd like to live near the ocean. In the future, I want to move to a quieter town. My dream is to live in another country for a few years. I hope I will have my own apartment soon.
One day, I'd like to live in a big city for a while and then move to the countryside.
Nice plan. Area 3, family and relationships. One day, I'd like to have a family. In the future, I hope I will have children. My dream is to give my parents a comfortable life. I hope I will stay close with my friends.
In the future, I want to have more time for my family and friends.
That's a very good future wish. Area 4, travel and experiences. I want to travel to at least 5 countries. My dream is to visit New York. One day, I'd like to go on a long road trip. I hope I will see the northern lights.
My dream is to eat pizza in Italy, sushi in Japan, and tacos in Mexico.
Your stomach has big dreams.
Yes, my future is hungry.
I love that. I love that. Area 5, personal growth and habits. I want to be more confident. My goal is to learn 2 languages. I'd like to be healthier and exercise regularly. In the future, I want to read more and watch less TV.
My goal is to wake up earlier. I'd like to be more organized. In the future, I want to be kinder to myself.
That last one is very important. Your future needs your kindness, too.
Sarah, sometimes I feel shy to talk about my future. I think, what if people laugh at my dream?
I understand. Our dreams can feel very private.
Yes, my dream is like a little bird. I don't want people to step on it.
That's a beautiful image. But remember, you don't need to tell everyone every detail. You can share just a small part. For example, instead of, I will be a world-famous singer, you can say, I'd like to improve my singing and maybe perform one day.
Softer, but still true.
Yes, we can talk about the future without pressure. Also, important point, you don't need a perfect, clear future plan to use these sentences.
So it is okay if I am not sure?
Yes, you can say, I'm not sure yet, but I'd like to work with people. I don't know exactly, but I want a job where I can be creative. I'm still thinking, but I hope my future will be peaceful.
Oh, that helps a lot. Because honestly, I don't know my full future.
Nobody does. But we can still talk about ideas, wishes, and direction. Let's do a role play. This time, I will be your friend. We are sitting in a cafe talking about the future.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, Alvin, what do you want your life to look like in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'd like to have a job I enjoy, maybe something with languages or travel. I hope I will live in a nice apartment in a calm neighborhood, and my dream is to be fluent in English by then.
Wow, that sounds great. Do you have any goals to help you do that?
Yes, my goal is to practice English every day and save some money so I can travel more.
That was beautiful and simple.
And no panic this time.
Let's do another role play. This time like a soft job interview. I'm the interviewer, you are Alvin.
Oh no, but okay.
Where do you see yourself in the future, Alvin?
In the future, I want to grow in this field. My goal is to become very good at my job and help my team. I'd also like to keep improving my English and maybe take more responsibility over time.
That's a very clear answer. Thank you.
Wow, if I had said that in my interview, I would feel much better.
You can use it next time. Now, some practical tips for talking about your future in English. Tip 1. Write 3 sentences, one for each. One dream, one goal, one plan. For example, dream. My dream is to travel around the world. Goal. My goal is to save money every month. Plan. My plan is to put $50 in my savings account each month.
Very clear.
Tip 2. Practice saying your sentences out loud, not only in your head. Say them in the mirror. Say them while you walk. Your mouth must also know your future.
Your mouth must also know your future. I like that.
Tip 3. Don't compare your future to other people's future. Maybe one person says, "My dream is to be a millionaire." Another says, "My dream is to have a simple, peaceful life." Both are okay.
So my future can be big or small. Important thing is, it is my future.
Exactly. And you are learning English to talk about your future, not theirs. Let's do a quick review. We learned useful words: future, dream, goal, plan, hope. We learned patterns.
I want to. I'd like to. My dream is to. My goal is to. In the future, I want to. One day, I'd like to. I hope I will.
We talked about
And we learned that it's okay if our future is not 100% clear. We can still say, "I'm not sure yet, but I'd like to," or "I'm still thinking, but I hope."
exactly. English can hold your questions too, not only your answers. Now, we have a special question for you.
Yes, this is important.
In the comments, write 2 sentences about your future. 1, dream. 2, goal. For example, my dream is to visit 3 new countries. My goal is to save money every month for travel.
Or, my dream is to be fluent in English. My goal is to practice 15 minutes every day.
Write yours in English. We will read them.
And maybe your dream will inspire someone else too.
Before we say goodbye, a small reminder. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a friend who has big dreams and wants to talk about them in English.
In our next episode, we will talk about something connected: how to make a simple English plan to move closer to your future.
Oh, so after dreaming, we will talk about doing.
Exactly. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
You are doing a great job with your English, really. Just by listening, you are already working for your future.
Remember, your future is not fixed. Every small step, every small sentence can move you in a new direction.
And now you have English sentences for your dreams and goals, too.
We believe in you.
Take care, keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.